Hi friends, how are you? Are you completed the chapter Cooking and Eating Habits? If yes, then solve this test with me. This is Science Revision Test 5, full mark 20. I already completed up to Revision Test 4. If you want to see it, then go to the playlist. If you are new in this channel, then you can subscribe for more. So let's start the video. First is filling the blanks. Question number 1. Gas is one of the oldest method of cooking. Friends, the correct answer is direct heating. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. H-E-A-T-I-N-G, heating. Next, the components or parts of a food item is, friends, the correct answer is ingredient. I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-N-T-S, ingredients. Next, to keep something in good condition for a long time is preservation. Next, second is true or false. Consuming a lot of fried food is good for our health. This is false. Idli and dhokla can cooked by steaming. This answer is true. Milk, egg, pulses and vegetables can be cooked by boiling. This question is true. Next, answer the following questions. Name the oldest method of cooking known to man. Answer: direct heating. Direct heating is the oldest method of cooking known to man. Next, in what form early man used to eat food? Friends, in raw form early man used to eat food. Next, see how baking is done. Baking is done by microwave oven. Baking is done by microwave oven. Next, define overcooked. Too many nutrients can be destroyed by overcooked. Next, state the difference between boiling and frying. Friends, the difference between boiling and frying is the difference between boiling and frying is first boiling. Boiling is a method of cooking which is not used oil. Next point is it is healthy method of cooking. Healthy method of cooking. Next, frying. Frying is a method of cooking which is used to make food. Next point, it is unhealthy method of cooking. Name one benefit of eating cooking food. The benefit of cooking food is the benefit of eating food is cooking food can make soft, tasty and digestible. Next, name 4 things that we made by boiling. 4 things that we made by boiling are first is milk, next vegetables, next eggs, next pulses. Name 2 things which can be made by steaming. 2 things which can be made by steaming is idli, dhokla. Next, name 3 things which can be made by baking. 3 things which can be made by baking is bread, next biscuit, next cake. Next question. Name 2 things which can be made by frying. 2 things which can be made by frying is pakoda, jalebi. Next, name 1 thing which can be made by direct heating. 1 thing which can be made by direct heating is chapati. Name 3 utensils which we keep in our kitchen. 3 utensils which we keep in our kitchen is metal bowl, pressure cooker, or next is griddle. Now the video has completed. Friends, comment your score.